that we want to solve this question with the help of Bodmas. If we want to solve it with the Bodmas, we have to know what Bodmas is. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. It means first of all we will solve the bracket, and then we will division, and then multiplication, then addition and subtraction, and this is how we have to solve everywhere. Now if I talk about inside the bracket, right, inside this bracket, Acha, first of all, we have to solve bracket because it's this bracket. So let's repeat each and every value as it is. That is 4 plus 5 minus 3 plus, and this bracket is something we have to solve first. So now according to the Bodmas rule, if we apply the Bodmas rule inside this bracket, then what are we going to do? We are going to add the values first. So what I'm doing is I'm writing this bracket values over here separately. That is 5 minus 2 plus 3. I've just written it separately so that we can solve it and keep it in that main equation. Now, if I'm going to solve it, according to the rule, Bodmas, I have to add first. Where is the addition? There is the addition. Addition of which two numbers? Addition of negative 2 plus 3. Now, can you tell me what should be the addition of negative 2 plus 3? It will be plus 1 because positive 3 number is larger. So it will be 3 minus 2 and it's 1, right? Okay, now what we are going to do if we get 1, after that we will just like we have solved this, we have solved minus 2 plus 3. So instead of writing minus 2 plus 3, now what we can write? We can write 1, but with the positive sign. So positive 1 like this. So when you will solve out this value, you will get 6. When you will solve out this value, you will get 6. Okay. Now we can place this 6 over here because we have solved the bracket, but other values will be written as it is. This plus 6, other plus 6 will be written as it is, and the divided by 2 will be also written as it is. We have just solved the bracket. Now the next step according to the Bodmas should be solving the division. So let's see where the division is. Division is over here. That is 6 divided by 2. Let's solve this division. Again, I'm saying this thing that if I'm going to solve the division, in that case, I will be repeating each and every value as it is. That is, I will be writing 4 plus 5 minus 3 plus 6 and then plus, and now I only have to solve 6 divided by 2. What is 6 divided by 2? It is 3, right? 6 divided by 2, 2 3 just 6, and then it is obviously 3. So I'm going to write 3 over here. So now in the first step we solve this bracket, and then in the other step we solve this division. Now what are we going to do? Now we are going to do multiplication. See, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is what Bodmas is. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first of all we solve the bracket, then we solve the division, then we also solve the now is there any multiplication? No, there isn't any multiplication. So technically we have solved the multiplication. Now let's come to the addition part. Which all numbers are there to be added up? This 4 is a positive number. This 6 and 3 are the positive number. We can add them up, right? So let's add them up. So it will be 9 minus 3, and this is plus 9. One more thing now. Though over here there is a positive sign, if there is a number which is positive, it's not important you always place the positive sign. Now see, if this number is positive and this number is also positive, you can add them up. But I will not make it complex. See, it is simple that you just plus 18 and then minus it. Or you can also solve it in one way that you can subtract it now first. You can subtract it now first, right? Or you can also do one more thing. What is that last one more thing? See, there are a lot of way to solve and you will get the same answer. What is the last way? That you can add them first. You can add them first. Why? Because we know that addition is something we have to do for the very first, right? Addition is something we will do for the very first. So what you can do is you can add up minus 3 and 9.